gardener, 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 garden, garden, seed,
seed,
seed, cloth bag, cloth bag, hedgehog, hedgehog, island, island,
forest, forest,
book, book, note, note, gold coin, gold coin,
If you had been patient, you could have become rich.
patience, patience, walk, walk, find, find,
look for, look for,
wait, 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 throw, 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 wonder, wonder, curious, curious, mysterious, mysterious, bright, bright, quiet, quiet, surprised, surprised, angry, angry, wake up, wake up, look around, look around, look inside, look inside, come back, come back, give up, give up, run outside, run outside, plant a seed, plant a seed, deep inside, but deep inside, he wanted something new. Deep inside, at last, he made a decision. At last, in the middle of the garden, in the garden, in the garden, and in front of him stood a very strange tree. In front of,
What kind of seeds are these?
what kind of,
he smiled, closed the bag, and took it home.
take it home, take it home.
In frustration, he pushed the pot away across the table.
In frustration, in frustration,
He felt tired.
feel tired, feel tired,
Lay down on his bed.
lay down, lay down,
And fell into a deep sleep.
fall into a deep sleep.
He suddenly stopped.
Suddenly, suddenly,